Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Titanic toy is probably one of the most fascinating and historically significant toys you can find, offering a unique blend of educational value and engaging play, allowing you to explore the grandeur and tragedy of the RMS Titanic in a captivating way, perfect for history buffs, model enthusiasts, and anyone intrigued by this iconic ship, promising hours of immersive fun and learning. Number 5. Brick Loot Titanic Set. It's the Brick Loot Titanic building set. Recreate the iconic ship, piece by piece, and embark on your own adventure. This model boasts authentic details, making it perfect for display. But it's also strong enough for hours of imaginative play. With 217 pieces, it's a fantastic way to boost creativity and hand-eye coordination. It's perfect for builders of all skill levels. It's made of high-quality, safe ABS plastic and is fully compatible with other major brands. Enjoy a seamless building experience. Looking for a unique and engaging gift? This set is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's fun for all ages. This mid-sized set includes 217 pieces, measures 8 inches long and 3 inches tall, and is recommended for ages 6 and up. It's compatible with all major brick brands. What we like. It boasts impressive details and is perfect for budding builders. If you are looking for a fun and educational activity that sparks creativity, this is the one for you. It's great for kids and adults who enjoy building and learning. Number 4. Brick Loot Titanic Set. It's the Brick Loot Titanic building set. Recreate the famous ship or create your own adventure. It's a great way to unleash your creativity and build something amazing. This model boasts authentic details, making it a beautiful display piece. But it's also strong enough for hours of imaginative play. With 390 high-quality bricks, it's perfect for enhancing creativity and hand-eye coordination. Whether you're an expert builder or just starting out, this set is for you. It's 100% compatible with other major brands, ensuring a seamless building experience. Made of safe, high-quality ABS plastic, it's perfect for both kids and adults. Looking for a unique and engaging gift? This set is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a fun way to spark creativity and develop motor skills. This mid-sized set includes 390 pieces and measures 12.12 inches long and 4.14 inches tall. It's made of durable ABS plastic and is recommended for ages 6 and up. What we like. This one is significantly larger and more complex, offering a more substantial building experience. If you prefer a bigger challenge and a more impressive display piece, this is the better choice. It's ideal for experienced builders who want a rewarding project. What people say. Good instructions and everything fit together well. The instructions were great, the movement is smooth, and we love that it lights up. It's the first set he has kept together and put on his dresser to display. It looks great and will be an excellent piece for him to keep for years to come. Most of the pieces are the usual ones you see, but there are a few special shapes that are super easy for little hands to work with. What's really cool about this Lego Titanic is that it's the perfect size for kids to hold. Number 3. SuSenGo Titanic Building Blocks. This amazing building set lets your child create their own miniature Titanic. It's a fun and educational way to spend time. With 194 high-quality pieces, it provides hours of creative play. It's perfect for budding architects and Titanic enthusiasts. Made from durable, non-toxic ABS plastic, it's safe and built to last. You can trust that it meets the highest safety standards. It's compatible with most major building block brands, expanding the possibilities for even more creative fun. The possibilities are endless. This educational and engaging toy makes a great gift for children. It's a fantastic way to encourage creativity and problem-solving skills. Remember, this toy is not suitable for children under 6 years old due to small parts. Always supervise young children while they play. What we like. It's a great entry-level option for younger builders or those on a budget. If you're looking for an introduction to Titanic-themed building sets without breaking the bank, this is a good starting point. It's perfect for children who are just beginning to explore their creativity. What people say. It is a small Titanic but very well made. Got this as a gift for my son and he loved it. It was not that complicated to put together. Even came with extra pieces. My boy loved Titanic stuff and this one is one of his favorites. Number 2. Trumpeter Titanic LED Model Kit. Behold, a meticulously detailed replica of a legendary vessel. Prepare to be amazed by its grandeur and intricate design. It's crafted with incredible accuracy, capturing the Titanic's majestic presence in stunning detail. Every feature is faithfully recreated. Experience the magic of the Titanic at night. Its integrated LED lights illuminate the ship, bringing it to life. The kit provides clear instructions for a smooth building experience. Even beginners can enjoy creating this masterpiece. This isn't just a model, it's a piece of history. It's a stunning addition to any collection, a testament to craftsmanship. Once complete, proudly display your creation. It will be a captivating centerpiece, sparking conversation and admiration. What we like. This model stands out with its LED lights, adding a unique touch to the final product. If you appreciate intricate details and want a truly special display piece, this is for you. It's perfect for model enthusiasts and collectors. What people say. This is the first time that I've ever owned a plastic model of the Titanic at the 1/200 scale size. She has very amazing details like the day she was built in Belfast 1911. Some of you asked how long the model is. Well, she is 53 inches long, which compares to 4 feet and 4 inches. This is a highly detailed model. It will take a long time to build. I would recommend only to serious modelers. This is an excellent model kit of an iconic ship which is just begging for aftermarket add-ons, of which many are available. It is very large. Number 1. COLAYERIST Titanic Building Blocks. This amazing set is perfect for kids aged 6 and up. It helps develop their coordination and fine motor skills while they build. It's made from high-quality ABS material, ensuring it's strong and safe for your child. Each piece is smooth and burr-free for easy handling. It makes a wonderful birthday, Christmas, or holiday gift. Once built, it's a beautiful decoration for any home. With 1878 pieces, it offers a challenging and rewarding building experience. The intricate details will capture everyone's imagination. Remember, these blocks are smaller than standard ones, so careful storage is recommended. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like. With over 1,800 pieces, it provides an incredibly detailed and challenging build. If you are an experienced builder looking for a complex and rewarding project, this will be a great choice. It's perfect for those who enjoy intricate models and a significant time investment. What people say. Lots of pieces. Good condition and good rainy day project. Great representation of the ship. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.